afternoon. I am almost, an hour and 20 minutes home, a whole day of driving. So while I was thinking about what I said before about the Daniel 8 passage that I meditated on earlier, I believe that if I read to you Zechariah 12, it will help you. And we may jump into Amos, but it's like adds color. As I'm saying, if you just put the pieces of the final prophecies over the ends of the earth in this age, this angle, that angle, it's like the Synoptic Gospels. You have the different vantage points of the different writers, and it gives added information, added view, added understanding. Okay, so I'm going to read to you, and let's see what the Lord brings forth as I read to you Zechariah chapter 12. And in Zechariah, you have the prophecy of the mystery Babylon. So just read the whole book. But I just think chapter 12, we focus on chapter 12, we'll start to see more about the stuff that Daniel's talking about. The burden of the Lord against Israel. Thus says the Lord, who stretches out the heavens, lays the foundation of the earth, and forms the spirit of man with him. Those are three things. Lays out the curtain. Builds a foundation for what? For the human being, the man, created in the Garden of Eden as the last great thing to oversee God's creation. That's how this burden is set forth. If you don't get the picture, it's going to hurt you. I don't want people to get hurt. I want people to see the real place where they live. That's why I do it. Why I constantly, because it's all over the Bible. The whole Bible's built on a stationary earth with heaven straight up. The throne right there, nearby. That is the whole Bible. You say you read the Bible? No, you don't. If you don't believe that, you're not reading the Bible. Verse 2. Behold, I will make Jerusalem, the actual place, a cup of drunkenness to all the surrounding peoples when they lay siege against Judah and Jerusalem. And it shall happen in that day, I will make Jerusalem a heavy stone, very heavy stone for all peoples. All who would heave it away will surely be cut to pieces. Okay, you want to mess with Jerusalem? You want to mess with that territory? You want to say send them off to the sea and eliminate Israel, Hamas, or anybody, any nation, any person that's going to try to eliminate Jerusalem and its people will be cut to pieces. Though all nations of the earth are gathered against it. So if the whole world turns against Israel and Jerusalem, this is going to happen. In that day, says the Lord, I will strike every horse with confusion and its rider with madness. I will open my eyes on the house of Judah, and I will strike every horse of the peoples with blindness. And the governors of Judah shall slay in their heart. The inhabitants of Jerusalem are my strength in the Lord of hosts, their God. In that day I will make the governors of Judah like a fire pan in the woodpile, like a fiery torch in the sheaves, and they will devour all the surrounding peoples on the right hand and on the left. But Jerusalem shall be inhabited again in her own place, Jerusalem. The Lord will save the tents of Judah first, so that the glory of the house of David and the glory of the inhabitants of Jerusalem will not become greater than that of Judah. That's David's seed. In that day, God will defend the inhabitants of Jerusalem. The one who is feeble among them in that day shall be like David, and the house of David shall be like God, like the angel of the Lord before them. Wow. In that it shall be in that day that I will seek to destroy all nations that come against Jerusalem. So that is a day where the people that live in Jerusalem are in a different place. They're not where they're at today. They are precious to God. The house of Judah is precious to God. They've cleaned out the bad guys, the fake Jews, and they are true worshipers in Jerusalem. And I will pour out on the house of David and on the inhabitants of Jerusalem the spirit of grace and supplication. Then they will look on me who they pierced. It's at this point that the whole city and the tribe of Judah will realize that they killed their Messiah. Yes, they will mourn for him as one mourns for his only son, and grieve for him as one who grieves for his firstborn. In that day there shall be a great mourning in Jerusalem, like the mourning of Hadad Rimmon in the plain of Megiddo. The land shall mourn, every family by itself, the family of the house of David by itself, and their wives by themselves, the family of the house of Nathan by itself, and their wives by themselves, the family of the house of Levi by itself, and their wives by themselves, the family of Shimei by itself, and their wives by themselves. All the families that remain, every family by itself, and their wives by themselves. So this is the people that have come through the fire and been refined. Okay? That's what I want you to meditate on, because that is the end when Jerusalem, Judea, Judah, and these families that have figured out their genealogy and they're seeking Messiah, realizing now because of the Spirit of God, like Acts 2, right? Remember I talked about two outpourings? There's a first outpouring that we receive, the first rain, the early rain, the spring rain. It's poured out on all flesh, Joel 2. Then there's the latter rain of the Spirit, that now the blindness and the eyes that are covered up right now, that the Jews, the true Jews, now realize that they killed their Messiah. And they mourn and they cry. Wouldn't you? So this is prophesied. This is real. And every nation's going to come against Jerusalem at some point. But this is in the time of the indignation. This is in the time of the purification. This is in the time of the cleansing of the temple. That's going to happen in succession. That's a window of time. All right? And we'll get into that in Daniel chapter 9, where we talk about the 70 weeks. All right? God bless you.